Okay, Magpie day 4. We're looking for more than one word now. In the beginning, we're going to look for I like and I like too. Those words are all together. Then we'll look for I want and I want to. Okay, the actual directions start at the bottom of page 1. Okay, it tells you you don't need any previous files. That's different from activities 3 and 2 where you worked on old code. Today it's just brand new code. So if I go into BlueJ, I have a brand new project here, activity 4 period 1, and I go import my folder as usual. I want the day 4 folder. Can you find that? Activity 4 and import it. And we get 2 files. Again, this is different, isn't it? We don't need Magpie 2 for the first time. Okay. Page 2 says go in Magpie 4 and look for this else if. It should be around line 52. The else if is looking for I want to. If you do not have line numbers, I think they're always nice to have. I always have mine up. If you don't have them though, go to Options, Preferences, and then check the box Display Line Numbers. Okay. So line 52 is where this else if is. Okay. What we're going to do is make another else if right after it that just looks for I want. Okay. So we copy and paste it after that else if. And now we're not looking for I want to, we're just looking for I want. So when you find I want, you don't want to send it to the method called transform I want to statement, right? The first else if above there looked for I want to. If it found it, it sent it to a method called transform I want to statement. But now we're looking for I want, so we need a method called simply transform I want statement, so delete the TO in there. Okay. A couple things here. First of all, this will not compile. You should have one error when you compile it saying that BlueJ cannot find a transform I want statement method. We got to copy and paste transform I want to statement and tweak a little bit and make it. The second thing requires your logic, not Java. Think about the order of searching for I want to and I want. Do you see? This is logic, guys. This is not your Java skills from the past 12 weeks. This is logic. Which one do you have to do first? Well, obviously it's I want to, but do you see why? Because if you do I want first, this will always be true, and then this else would never execute. I want is a part of I want to. So you have to look for I want to first. Okay? This is emphasized on page 2 of the PDF Magpie Day 4. It says, notice that it's appropriate to do the search for I want to and I want in this order, because if the I want came first, we would never find I want to. Okay? So we copy and pasted the else if. And it also says, like I said before, it won't compile because it has a call to transform I want statement, which is not written yet. So here's what we do. We copy the transform I want to statement and change it to a transform I want statement method. Let's try that. Where is the transform I want to statement method? I see it on my line 86. You see it around there, line 86? Okay, it's not very long. It's about a dozen lines long. It's not too long. Copy that. I had very few kids in zero period mess up, but if they messed up, this seemed to be the place they messed up, right here. So please stay with me. I've done nothing yet. Stay with me. Copy, private string, transform I want to statement, string statement. Copy it. Hit enter after its closing brace and paste. And now we're not transforming an I want to statement, but we're transforming an I want statement. So in the name of the method, change it to transform I want statement, just erase TO. Ready? The first few lines won't change, but where it says int PSN, int position, find keyword statement I want to, make that say I want. We're not looking for I want to, but just I want. Okay. Let's see if we change anything else here. Replace the return statement. I'm reading from the book, on PDF, bottom page 2. It says, replace the return statement with, would you really be happy if you had rest of statement question mark? Would you really be happy if you had? Would you really be happy if you had? Okay. Let's see if things compile. It does now. I'm going to test it with the runner. When I type in something like, I want to eat, it'll ask me about eating. I want to sleep, it'll ask me about sleeping. It picks it up. Now let's type in, I want pizza. And it looks mostly right. The return has been changed correctly, but there's a mistake here, isn't there? Mine says, would you really be happy if you had ZZA? We must have missed one of the tweaks that we had to do. I'm going to hit capital BYE and go look at it some more. Okay. Well, the problem is, in my line 112, it says string rest of statement equals statement.substring PSN plus 9. Now, why was that 9? Well, because in the line before it, in the previous method, you had I want to you're looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But now we're chopping off the O, the T, and the space, so we just do PSN plus 9 minus 3, or 6. And now it should be fine. It is.